Hello, my name is Terry Vogel, and along with my husband Jamie, we own and operate Vogel Orchard between Stonewall and Fredericksburg, Texas. Our family has grown peaches since 1953 in this same Gillespie County location. It is spring here in the Hill Country, and we are busy preparing for the summer's peach crop. This past winter season, we were blessed with plentiful chilling hours and moisture to allow for a good setting of peaches on the trees. Up to this time, Jamie and his crew have been busy prepping farm equipment, pruning, applying dormant oil and fertilizer, and tilling winter grasses and weeds back to the soil to promote healthy orchards. The tree row centers have been planted with hay or ground cover to prevent erosion and help keep the soil cooler and healthier, as well as firmer for harvest when it is raining. Thinning is also in process. Some of the very small green peaches are picked or knocked off trees so that the remaining fruit will have better size. This is all part of the process that goes into creating a great crop of peaches for your and our enjoyment. Harvest season usually runs from early May through early August. We hope to see you soon at Vogel Orchard.